Hi friends, in this video I am showing you how to make a whole wheat thin crust pizza on a pan with leftover rotis. It is super easy and quick. So let's begin. Heat a non-stick pan, add oil and saute the veggies. Then add salt and seasoning of your choice. Once it is done, transfer it to a bowl. Now in the same non-stick pan, add butter and put the roti on it. Spread the pizza sauce, add veggies and cheese and put a lid on the pan and let it cook. After 2 to 3 minutes, the cheese will melt and the base will become nice and crispy. Transfer it to a plate and using a pizza cutter, cut into 4 or 6 slices.